Okay, guys, for your final homework assignment, you are going to write a progression in the key of F or G. You're going to use chords that will be diatonic. Now, you can take the popular progressions that we've done in this class and use some of those, or you can create your own progression. But again, the chords have to be diatonic, which means that all the chords have to come from the key of G, or if you're in the key of F, you use the key of F. The progression has to be a minimum of 8 measures long. It can be more, but it has to be at least 8 measures. After you decide upon your progression, you will then create a melody and you will base it on the major pentatonic scale. If you do a progression in the key of F, you will do a melody in the key of F based upon the F major pentatonic scale. If you write your progression in G major, you will use the G major pentatonic scale. Have fun with it. It can be any style you like, in the style that is you. It's been great sharing time and space with you. I wish you all the best. And if you like it, stay tuned for Developing Your Musicianship 3.